everyone. I am standing on the station road of Bhadohi. This is the main road of Bhadohi, and from there you can go at the station road on the Phulan Devi Tiraha as well. And this road also goes at the Suryawa. And from there you can go Varanasi. And in this road there are a lots of shops. There is Sardar Cloth Sari Center. At there you can buy organza sarees, net sarees, silk sarees, and every type of saree which you can buy, which you want to buy. And there is MI store. From there you can buy mobile phones of every company, of every brand. And there is Shishma Shagar. You can actually, if you want to buy a spectacles, you can buy from there. There beside of MI store there is a My Choice, men's saloon. You can men can go and cut their hairs at there. And from there is a medical store. As we all know that this is a busy road, and sometimes some people got accident. So for emergency, this is a medical store here. And this is a roll corner, and if you are hungry, so you can buy, and you can buy rolls from here, and you can eat that. And as well as there is Jaiswal Trading Co. This is the showroom of electronic and furniture. There is also one sari store as well. Darbari Vastralaya. And beside of Darbari Vastralaya there is Forever Online Center. So as we all know that today is Sunday, so that's why Forever Online Center is closed. And so my dear friends, this is Adroit Academy. This is the famous academy of the Bhadohi. From here you can learn English. There are the famous teachers of Adroit Academy, Mr. Rohit sir and as well as Mr. Umesh sir. They teach well, and they will teach you, educate you, motivate you for how to speak English. And here this is the course of 6 months. And in front of Adroit Academy, this is the second branch of Adroit Academy. You can see this is the second branch of Adroit Academy. And as well as beside this is the Kalpana Studio. And here this is the grocery store. You can buy any grocery things from here. And so my dear friends, there is Falai Ahmad Girls PG College. Here only girls can study. This is a famous college of the Bhadohi as well. This is also a medical store. Because this is a busy road, everyone got accident here. That's why there are a lots of medical stores on the station road. And this is a clinic. And as well as this is a hospital, Soumya Hospital, the one of the famous hospital of Bhadohi. This is the hospital of